Okay, this is another update on the video advertised and ranked by Hype. I'm talking about Hype, bought the domain for $9 and flipped it for 900. It's now September the 5th. Well, in America it's almost September the 4th due to the time zone, but whatever. Let's head over to JV Zoo, and as you can see this month, okay, I've already made with that video alone $130. Now this should be a big month actually, because last month ended with a bit below $200. But there's still 25 days in this month, and so I believe that this video will bring in more cash. But as you can see, I mean, this commission came in on the 1st of September, and I've got 2 commissions today already, all from Jamie Lewis, who is the guy that created Domain Elite software. Somebody bought an upsell or something, but all in all is already $130. Now again, if you can create like 30 or 40 or 50 videos, you can just guess the amount of money you can make. So this was just an update. Advertising by Hype again works.